All right, so my boat is fixed, allegedly. I don't have a prop on it because so far Yamaha has not decided whether they're going to make this a warranty repair or not. So I got to get down there, get the boat in the water. I've got a couple of different props I want to try on it, and we'll see what happens. So I'm at my boat barn. This is where my boat lives, unless I'm using it, of course. This is also where I store some stuff that I don't need, like my extra prop. Got to pick up a few things at the hardware store for the prop swap. All right, I am back at the trailer and I have the boat. I got a lower unit. There's still no prop on it, but it is a newer, well, it's new to me, lower unit. It's actually got less hours on it than mine did, and mine was only 8 months old. But I am a fishing guide, so probably got more hours than the average person. Anyway, I'm gonna take this thing out tomorrow. I got a couple of props to try on here, and then day after that I'm back guiding again. Wish me luck. Okay, this is my new lower unit with the prop shaft. Looks a little bit different from what we were looking at a few days ago. All right, so I did get a little bit of good news. Like I said, I did have to pay to have this lower unit put on here. Well, actually, I had to buy the lower unit. The shop did not charge me any labor for putting the lower unit on because they said the Yamaha is gonna cover it. It's just a matter of time. So by buying this one, I can get back on the water without having to wait. And once I get my other lower unit fixed, I'll have two. So if for some strange reason something like this happens in the future, I won't be out of work. I can just swap the lower units and keep on going. Nothing like having spare parts.